Hey friends, welcome back to MindBoost Channel, where we turn life-changing books into bite-sized, fun-packet wisdom. Today, we're diving into Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book will show you how tiny habits can create massive transformations in your life. Ready? Let's crush it. Big changes start with small actions, James Clear says. That improving just 1% every day might seem like nothing, but over a year, that's a whopping 37% improvement. So, remember, small, consistent efforts lead to big results. Habits follow a 4-step loop: cue, craving, response, and reward. For example, if your phone buzzes, cue, you feel like checking it. Craving, so you grab it. Response, and enjoy a dopamine hit. Reward. Understand this loop, and you can hack your habits. Here's the magic formula. Make good habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Want to exercise? Lay out your workout gear the night before. To break bad habits, do the opposite. Make them invisible, unattractive, hard, and unsatisfying. Say goodbye to late-night snacks. Start small. So small it feels silly. James Clear's 2-minute rule says every habit should take less than 2 minutes to start. Want to read more? Commit to reading 1 page a day. Over time, these tiny steps snowball into big wins. To create lasting habits, focus on your identity. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, say, I'm a healthy eater. Every small win reinforces this identity. It's not just about doing, it's about becoming. Track your habits to stay consistent. Use a habit tracker or just mark an X on a calendar. Seeing those streaks grow is super motivating. It's like a game you don't want to lose. Mistakes happen, and that's okay. The key is to never miss twice. If you skip a workout or eat junk, bounce back the next day. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Friends, the key to transformation isn't massive effort. It's tiny habits done consistently. Whether you want to write a book, get fit, or learn a skill, Atomic Habits gives you the tools to succeed. So, what's your first habit to tackle? Drop it in the comments, and let's cheer each other on. Hit that like button, subscribe for more fun book summaries, and share this video with someone who needs a habit boost. Until next time, stay awesome and stay consistent.